Hey there! Are you tired of trying every diet out there and still struggling with stubborn belly fat? Well, today, I'm going to break down exactly how to reduce belly fat, step by step. We're talking about simple, science-backed strategies that actually work without extreme diets or endless hours at the gym. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for some awesome resources on weight loss. They will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's talk about why belly fat is so tough to lose. Belly fat, or visceral fat, is stored around your internal organs like the liver and pancreas, making it different from the fat you carry elsewhere. This type of fat is not only frustrating for appearance, but it also increases your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other health issues. Now here's how to get rid of it. Adjust your diet for fat loss. The most effective way to target belly fat is through your diet. You might have heard the phrase, abs are made in the kitchen, and that's 100% true. But what does that actually mean? Cut down on sugars and processed carbs. A 2014 study from Harvard University showed that diets high in refined carbs and sugars are linked directly to higher levels of belly fat. When you consume sugary drinks, white bread, pastries, and other processed foods, your body tends to store that excess energy as fat. What you can do? Start by reducing sugary beverages like soda and juice. Instead, drink water, herbal teas, or black coffee. Swap out white bread and pasta for whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. Increase your protein intake. Protein is your secret weapon when it comes to fat loss. Studies, including one from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2015, found that higher protein diets can boost your metabolism and reduce hunger, which in turn helps you burn more fat. What you can do? Aim to include a source of lean protein like chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu in every meal. These proteins help keep you full longer, which prevents overeating. Eat more fiber. Fiber, especially soluble fiber, helps reduce belly fat by improving digestion and keeping you feeling full. Research from Wake Forest University in 2011 showed that every 10-gram increase in daily fiber intake reduced belly fat by about 3.7% over 5 years. What you can do? Focus on foods like oats, flax seeds, beans, and vegetables, which are rich in soluble fiber. Try adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to your morning smoothie or snack on veggies like carrots and cucumbers throughout the day. Focus on cardio exercise. Exercise is crucial for reducing belly fat, but not all exercises are created equal. Cardio, or aerobic exercise, has been shown to be particularly effective. A study from Duke University in 2013 found that people who performed regular cardio exercises lost more visceral fat than those who just lifted weights. What you can do? Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. If you're just starting, even a 30-minute walk each day can make a big difference. Incorporate strength training. While cardio is great, don't forget about strength training. Building muscle helps burn fat because muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even when you're resting. A 2014 study published in Obesity found that combining resistance training with aerobic exercise led to better fat loss results, especially around the belly. What you can do? Try to incorporate strength training exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups at least 2 to 3 times a week. You don't need a gym, bodyweight exercises work just fine. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Believe it or not, lack of sleep and high stress can directly contribute to belly fat. A 2015 study from Obesity found that people who slept fewer than 6 hours per night had significantly more belly fat than those who slept 7 to 8 hours. What you can do? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Also, practice stress management techniques like deep breathing or meditation, as stress can trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone linked to increased belly fat. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to reduce belly fat in a healthy, sustainable way. Remember, this isn't about quick fixes. By adjusting your diet, incorporating the right kinds of exercise, and prioritizing sleep and stress management, you'll start to see results over time. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with a friend who might need it, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.